Hi friends, welcome back. Coming to the array concept. So the previous video I explained about the different types of arrays, means representation of array, one dimensional array and two dimensional array. Now let us see how the arrays will be stored. The two dimensional array stored in memory. Subscribe to my channel all purpose tutorials. There are two ways to store two-dimensional array in memory. First is a column measure order. Second is a row measure order. So you have to store the data that is a two-dimensional array, either column measure order and row measure order. So whatever the order you have taken, but the memory will store the data in linear form. Okay. Here, no, a linear form. So here, this is the memory. Here, the data will be stored either column measure order and row measure order. How? Let us see. Let's take a two-dimensional array. Let's take two-dimensional array 3 by 4. 3 cross 4 array. Yes, 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, and 3. 0, 1, 2, and 0, 1, 2, 3 is index. So, the based your compiler start with 0 and 1. So, if you take the row measure order, if you want to store the data in row measure order, the element stored in memory row by row. So, this array will store in the memory if you in row measure order, it sorry, if you consider row measure order. So, row measure order, element stored in memory row by row. So this is first row, this is second row, and this is third row. This is first row, and this is second row, and this is third row. The element stored in memory row by row. Got it. First row A11, A12, A13, A14. So everything the memory will be in the linear form. It is in linear form in sequential. So after that, next row A21, A22, A23, A24. These are the second row, and next the third row stored in A31, A32, A33, and A34. So this is how the element is stored in memory. I just explained here how element of uh, that is the two dimensional array stored in memory. So the first the first is if you taken the row measure order in the row by row, first row, second row, and third row. If you take the column measure order, so what different that here? The element of storage memory column by column, whereas a row measure order, the element stored in memory row by row. But here in the column by column, that see here, so the same example, whatever we have taken, what is example? Uh, Here is this is first column, this is second column, and this is third column, this is fourth column. So this is first column, and this is second column, and this is third column, and last is fourth column. So example, so first stored in row, first row, second row, third row. If you consist of column, just you take like this A11, A21, A31. So the next store second column, column by column, A12, A22, A32. So next A13, A23, A33, and the fourth column. So this fourth column A14, A24, A34. So this is a column measure order. The row measure. So this is column measure order. The column, one column, second column, third column, and fourth column. Sorry, the fourth column all. It consists row measure order, the element stored in memory row by row, whereas your consist column measure order, the element stored in memory column by column. Suppose two-dimensional array of size m cross n. So two-dimensional array size m cross n matrix. Then what will be the formula for this? So if you know the size of matrix m cross n, then if you directly calculated, if you was to find out the element, if can directly search through the row and column. If you find where the element was, but you consist m cross n array of size, then you have follow the formula. The address of elements here, So for 2 and up to n, and first, second, third, and up to size of n. It's n cross n matrix. First, you need to find out any address of the element. Suppose A13 and other element middle here. So if you want that address of that particular element, you have to follow these rules. First row and first column of A. First row and first column of row. This is A11. The first row and first column of A, that A11 is called the base address. Is called base address. Base address. If you want to calculate the element first, you have to know the base address. That is the first element address. Okay. Next, so this a base address. So if you know the base address, then this will be the formula for calculating the address of particular element. So whatever the element, that is a so means that is and means that so that is a 5 comma k column A. The column, if you column measure order, this will be the formula. So base A plus W M k minus 1 plus j minus 1, and row measure order, and this will be the formula base A plus Wn j minus 1 plus k minus 1. Base A is the starting address. Is it called base address? Yeah, starting address. First row and first column, that is a 0 row and 0 column. Okay. Base A plus Wmk minus 1 plus j minus 1 in column measure order, and base A plus W and j minus 1 plus k minus 1, the row measure order. So that is a base address L0 base address. So this example, this is base address L0, that is base address. Here W is the size of element. Okay? W is the size of element. Yeah, data type. What you call the size of element? size of element is nothing but the data type. Size, so whether you are using the integer, float, double, or whatever, it is, so size is int, it is 2. This is 2. If you float, it is 4. So that W represents size of element, and here in the here M is number of rows and N is number of columns. K minus 1 and J minus 1, that is the particular element, that is the jth column and kth column. You having any particular element, that element. So here we have take k minus 1, j minus 1. If the index starts with suppose 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2. So suppose 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2. So index start with 0, that is should be mk plus 1. So the index start with 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now k plus 1, so index start is 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2, 3. Then this will be the formula base address of A W M k minus 1 plus j minus 1. Row measure order base address plus W N j minus 1 plus k minus 1. Okay. So don't be confused when don't be confused whenever explaining the example. Clearly understand formula means. So the next video I have explained calculate the address of particular element matrix by using column measure order and row measure order. Thank you.